Action, look at this. She's realizing she's got crochets in.
Oh my gosh.
This is some really soft yaki perm hair. And I can't emphasize how soft it is. So, I mean, you guys would have to feel it. It's just like a little cotton candy. It looks just like our hair, guys. If I take the brush to it, let me see. She's not a Barbie, so I can't play in her all night. But look, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's everything.
Oh, this is everything.
Pull it up in the back. Take a look.
Oh my gosh, this is everything.
Just pretend like you're going on the beach and you're pulling your hair up and having some fun. Let's see what's under there. Because they don't know.
Oh my gosh.
And look how much life the ponytail has, guys. Look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
Yeah, and then do your little swish around. Yeah.
Wow.
So these can actually be baby hairs if you want and drop down. Or either you can just, with our brush trick that I taught you.
I love it.
So she's got a 30-inch. She didn't even know. I was just surprising her. And I knew she was going to get this hair. So I went ahead and because she was a first-time client, I just went and got her some 30-inch.
Oh, thank you. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy.
You didn't even notice the length, how long it was.
Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Look at this.
I wanted her to be happy, and she's going out of town, guys. But look where it falls. It's on the hiney.
Let me show you my side.
I already see you.
See my side.
She hot, y'all. She hot.
Come on, go.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And this is our 10A grade, so you guys can see it has that nice little kinky texture, but it's soft like candy.
It is.
So tell everybody
You
about
have
your
none of
experience. Here, let me
my-
try and get you this way. Let me see. Get the green wall. What happened to you today?
I have been absolutely been in a world of pleasure. I've had the most amazing experience here. Sob, right?
Sabi.
Yeah. Yes. I am so glad that you popped up wherever I was looking because you just made this experience amazing. From the wash and the, oh my gosh, the clove rinse, the apple cider detoxifying my hair, scratching through it and taking her time. Like, amazing. Can't wait to come back.
Oh, and we can't wait to have you, honey
my
bun.
goodness. Thank you.
Have fun.
Oh my
and let them see your little roots, your roots. There we go, everybody. There's our roots.